Hello, Professor, and my friend. Today, my topic is about an app called Rethink. This app is basically made to fight against cyberbullying, so we'll go through it now. So, agenda of this presentation: cyberbullying is the most pervasive trouble discovered within the globe. Cyberbullying can include intellectual problems, worry, physical violence, taunting, teasing, malicious rumor spreading, and social violence. This hassle is now widely recognized as an extreme problem due to its results. A 17-year girl, Trish Prabhu, made this app after a girl in US committed suicide because of cyberbullying. This app, named as Rethink, this transformational generation technology will not protect you or neither aware you, but this app is successful to discover and forestall cyberbullying at the source before harm is finished. Everybody can to be the victim of a bullying in existence, and social media is improving the danger of being bullied. Rethink app is a great recognized for killing the hassle on the source. It offers a keyboard in your smartphone with a purpose to warn you before posting something offensive about anyone. So this study indicates that wondering two times and a pause and secondaries in actual time can make a teen to exchange his thoughts over 93%, which is very good. On every occasion, you write an offensive message, and when it wants you to reconsider approximately it, your thoughts literally makes you feel to suppose how receiver gonna experience it, which force you to not to send it. The primary hassle cannot be solved by reporting or blockading a bully. The problem can be solved by way of tackling the source of the problem earlier than it starts evolved. And this app allows you to assume two times earlier than sending an beside the point message to someone. It is capable to locate offensive message on social media, on email and messages too. So we'll go through on features and how to access this app. What may be higher than changing the states of a thought of a bully? Nobody thinks before that a warning giving keyboard can change the cyberbullying so much. Getting access to this app is quite smooth. You simply need to update your original keyboard with Rethink app keyboard. Rethink app allows you to trade your state of thoughts earlier than posting something horrific about some other individual. It tells you if the message can be hurtful or annoying for the character you are sending. This small caution may be enough to exchange your anger to pair the things. I analyzed that with other apps you can document approximately cyberbullying or you could speak in your parents approximately but you can't change the thought of a bully. Rethink app keyboard tells you the kind of a message and additionally asks you twice before sending it. This may change someone's mind before posting something bad. So look at this graph. This graph, which shows that young generation of our country suffered most by cyberbullying. And why? It's because teenagers every often don't feel emotions and take the whole thing in a fun manner. It needs to be stopped earlier than the damage is completed. Non-stop bullying during the teenage years decorate the threat of depression among teenagers, and its results can be as bad as infant abuse or suicidal strife. We must teach our children about the cyberbullying and additionally assist them to fight in opposition to it. Each day, every time a boy or a woman suffers from a cyberbullying, boys have a tendency to have interaction in bodily violence, and girls primarily acquire sexually denigrate comments. Time has come to take an motion in opposition to it. The opposite suggests adolescent brain does not develop until to age 25, which forces them to bully others. As it isn't always that people are getting bullied, however, the critical hassle is young generation of our country are having hard instances to recognize among a laugh and a painful message. This new modern app detects and prevents cyberbullying at the source earlier than something terrible will happen. We all know great actor Charlie Chaplin. Once he said, "My pain may be the reason for somebody's laugh, but my laugh must never be the reason for somebody's pain." This is quite meaningful and serious quote. This also means never play with someone else's life because their life is as much important as yours. So finally, we'll go through conclusion and recommendation. So all of the technological advances in society have also allowed the inception of cyberbullying. Rethink app is to tackle the problem of cyberbullying and to alternate the adolescent mind. If a few efforts and a little work can save your infant to get bullied, then why not to try it and give it a chance? Cyberbullying is spreading so fast, and rather than just getting depressed or being silent, Time has come to counter it from the source, not just with the aid of blocking off and reporting the bully, however, by giving a pause to think twice. Only a replacement of original keyboard to Rethink app and it's completed. So reconsider earlier than saying something someone bad. That's it for today and thank you everyone for being here. Thank you.